Most consumers think mounting and demounting a tire is as simple as pulling one off and putting another on. The reality is, this process involves 2 to 3 times more steps than most of them realize. It's a big reason dealers like you might want to rethink what you're charging for it. While some customers might not realize the effort involved, explaining the process helps them understand that a higher price isn't about an extra cost. It's about ensuring the job is done right, safely, and with the care their vehicle deserves. Let's talk about how to charge for this next. Mounting and demounting is one of those services that seems straightforward on the surface, but gets technical very quickly. Every tire brought into the bay has a potential to uncover hidden problems that require extra steps, time, and care. Say a truck rolls into your shop with a tire low on air. At first glance, it looks like a simple puncture, but the air around the bead won't hold. Once the assembly comes off, rubber buildup appears on the bead area, and after cleaning, 2 cracks show up on the rear flange. The repair stops there. A spare goes on, and a new wheel has to be sourced. That kind of inspection and prep takes time. And time is labor, and labor is money. Customers will take notice when that level of work is done. At the end of the day, mounting and demounting is far more than just swapping tires. It requires verifying the tire and wheel match OE specs, testing TPMS sensors, inspecting for cracks or bends, and rebuilding valve stems with the correct service packs torqued to spec. Each of these steps protects the customer's vehicle and reduces the risk of comebacks, but each takes time that has to be accounted for. When dealers charge properly for mounting and demounting, they're covering costs and ensuring their technicians have the time to do their job right. That protects the vehicle, delivers real value to the customer, and proves that mounting and demounting isn't just changing tires. It's a technical service, and it deserves to be billed for what it's really worth. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.